is Xposed GH. If you haven't subscribed yet, kindly subscribe to our channel to get trending, reliable, and credible news right here on your phone. Now, 3 suspected robbers who attempted to rob a businessman at Opebia in Accra, that is around the Accra Mall area, Monday morning have been shot dead by the Ghana Police Service. 2 other suspects who are Abdul Latif, who is 47 years, and Prosper Koku, who is 27 years, believed to be connected to the attempted robbery, have been also arrested. The police intelligence unit reviewed a plan by the group to rob a businessman at the bank at Opebia in Accra, and then a team of police and intelligence officers from the Accra region laid ambush in the area in an attempt to arrest this suspect. However, on seeing the police in the area, one of the suspects, who is a Cameroonian national, Akika Christian Robert, armed with a Taurus pistol, shot first at the policemen, and in an ensuing gun battle, all the 3 suspects were shot and pronounced dead on arrival at the police hospital. And talking about armed robbery in Ghana, it has been on the increase, and we hope our police service is on guard and they are ready to face the armed robbers boot by boot. Yes, that is all for trending for today. Kindly subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to like and share for others to know that Xposed GH is ready to give you trending and reliable news.